But going back to the homeownership thing, when people say, well, how is a mortgage different from rent? Well, every time you're paying your rent, you don't realize it, but not only are you paying them a profit, you're also paying toward their equity. And that property owner can use that equity to buy other property, to put money in their own pocket, to fund a trip to Japan if they feel like it, right? They have that opportunity, but you don't because you're paying rent. So getting to that space where you do own that home, any property that you own, accrues equity, and you have the capacity to use it in the way that you want. And everybody's going to have kind of their own thing. Some people have used their equity to pay for their child's college education. Now their kid doesn't have student loans, right? And when they pay off their mortgage, they've also paid off their child's college education. So thinking about all the ways these things can benefit you, you each are going to have a different financial goal. And maybe as we're talking, you might have added something to your financial goal list. Maybe now you're thinking, you know what, I want to do an